State record 23-7, 10 years old, Doris Spearman, Blue Island Eisenhower. Today's race in lane 1, Thomasina Rogers from Hersey in Arlington Heights. Lane 2, Carrie Pollock, also the hurdler, Wheaton North. Lane 3, Mabra Foster, Evanston Township. Lane 4, Rosie Morrow, the great sprint at Southwest from Kankakee. Lane 5, Donna Cargill, looking for her 3rd championship from Rockford East. Lane 6, Contini Young, Chicago, Morgan Park. Lane 7, LaShawn Cook, Chicago, St. Martin de Porres. Lane 8, Massaquoi Williams from Home at Fossmore. And Lane 9, Melina Williams, East St. Louis Lincoln. Team points to be gotten here as well. And a rare chance at a triple for Donna Cargill. Clean start. Quickly, the early move seems to be Contini Young from Morgan Park. Moving quickly in white of the green. Donna Cargill going right with her. Cargill in black in the middle of the field, looking very strong if she can hang on. Outside, we've got Melina Williams and Carrie Pollock, Thomasina Rogers. It's very close to the finish. I don't want to call second, but I'll give you Donna Cargill appears to be a triple champ in the double A's from Rockford East with just a beautiful display. We haven't seen a sprinter with that variety and flexibility of talent since Carmelita Williams that's been able to put it on show on finals day.
Sensational. And you're right, not since Carmelita Williams. Beautiful race.
Take a look at the strength and power and form of Donna Cargill.
The team award ceremony will not begin before the results
Good
of the
arm
match
action.
event have been announced.
She looks like she could have gone some more.
Let's take a look and see if you can call it. It appears to us as if Carrie Pollock, lane 2, then Thomasina Rogers from Hersey, and then Melina Williams of East St. Louis Lincoln.
Yeah, the outside lanes, especially 1 and 2.
But Donna Cargill, like she's been all day.
Okay,
all
that's
day.
the tongue, that's the tongue.
Or pick up your special souvenirs for
Oh,
yourself and other
she
family
broke that
members
tape like, oh, I
in the
did.
stadium at the end of the
And she
competition
did.
today.
Beautiful run.
She has had a day.